Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can show seconds in your Windows 11 taskbar clock. So let's get started. First, click on the Start button at the bottom of your screen and open the Settings app. This is where you can control all your system preferences. Once you're inside Settings, go to Time and Language. After that, click on Date and Time. This section controls everything related to your system clock and time display. Now, here's the important part. Scroll down a bit and look for the option related to showing time and date in the system tray. Make sure that setting is turned on. Once it's enabled, you'll see a small drop-down arrow next to it. Click on that to expand more options. Inside this expanded menu, you'll find an option that says Show Seconds in System Tray Clock. All you need to do is toggle this option on. As soon as you enable it, your taskbar clock will update instantly, and you'll start seeing seconds displayed along with hours and minutes. If you ever want to turn it off, just follow the same steps and toggle the option off again. Keep in mind that showing seconds may use a tiny bit more system resources, but on most modern systems, you won't even notice any difference. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.